going, I don't know, like I don't really know how to drive a car, like barely, but you think a boat's easier?
You can't hit anybody out here. So.
And there's no parallel parking. Going on my maiden lobster boat voyage, and I'm very, very excited about it.
We're gonna go haul a few traps. I hope you don't mind getting your hands dirty.
Great.
I got you a pair of gloves.
So we're actually gonna do some work today. I thought I was on a scenic tour.
It'll be scenic on the way out and scenic on the way back.
You guys are scaring me, but I'm ready to go. So have we landed in Lobsterville? Like, are we in Lobsterville right now?
We hope.
Okay.
Here we
So
go.
let's haul up a
Let's go get
trap.
some lobsters. How are your muscles?
Terrible.
Oh, come on.
No,
What
it's
are you
true.
doing in New York City?
I sit at a computer. Oh, I'm going like down there. Oh, I missed him. Come on, Bowie.
Ah!
Oh my God. Yeah. Woo!
This is what everyone's after in Maine, the New Shell Lobster. When you squeeze right here, it's really
It gives.
soft. Yeah.
Ooh. Okay, let's measure some lobsters.
Okay. So this one is short because it is under the 3 1/4 inch measure. So this one we have to throw back.
You're making sure that I'm not messing up, aren't you? See ya. I'm gonna like dig in deep. There you go, yes!
You give it a big shove with your big New York City muscles.
Right.
Voila! Nice.
That is the most fun part.
We've only got 250 more to go.
Awesome! I know you're cooking, and I'm looking forward to that because I know you've done some prep work. What are you making?
We're gonna do what we call our fisherman's feed, and it's gonna be steamed lobster, steamed new shell, with potatoes, corn, and steamers, the clams.
Oh, I love steamers.
All cooked together and then tipped out.
And I'm gonna make a family recipe. It's a lobster pasta salad.
Delicious. I can't wait. Really, I can't wait.
Well, I'm sure every lobster and family gets together for a lobster feed, but it's always been really popular with us because it's really easy.
Yes, that's right.
It's an easy meal and it's easy cleanup, and you can feed like a crowd without having to do a lot of like intricate work.
Right. All right.
Let's give it up. Time to eat.
Yes.
Woohoo! This is amazing. It's such a feast.
What was the thing that surprised you the most when we were out there today?
You worked so quickly, and you were so kind to have me work so slowly. But I can just imagine how fast it would be if it was just the two of you, sternman and captain. I've had the most incredible Maine day, from the pasta salad that Krista made, which is a family recipe, to the layered steamers and potatoes and lobster that was Merritt's contribution, to the Luke's Lobster extravaganza of beautifully made lobster rolls. Cheers, and thank you for including me in this phenomenal feast. Cheers.
Thanks for
Cheers.
How many traps do you have out here?
800.
800?
800, yeah.
Roll my sleeves up. So jollof rice is a Nigerian dish. So we're gonna get your house smelling really, really good.